what I've done is I've cut 4 of those. Like I said, they are for sale. I'm going to use some of the tassel. I may need to shorten that. And I've got this fabric here that I'm going to cut to make more flowers. And then I'm going to be sharing with you a parcel. I've got a parcel somewhere that I've actually misplaced that came with the flower in. I will find it. It came with a flower, though I'm not sure what I've done with it. And Jane, your eggs will be with you shortly. They should arrive today, I think, if not before. Just let me know they've arrived, lovey. We were changing rooms around not long ago and we lost our eggs, unfortunately. But we found them and I knew they were here. I knew they were here. So I wasn't worried about them. Oops, a daisy. Pop them back in there. Right, so I've done that. Now, again, what I'm going to do is to fold this, but this has got a nice scalloped edge. So, and it's got like a ridged effect. So I don't want to do it like that. No, I don't want to do it like that. Well, no, I'll do it like that. That'll do. Now, let's just get that done at the end. Do it that way. And then what I'm going to do is just to glue these ends. Then glue them bits together. Now I'm just going to change. I'll put another one in actually. I just spread these out. It spreads the folds evenly. Or it makes them lay flats. So you can have a nice gathered flower, but it lays flats. If it puckers, your flower's not long enough when you're sewing it up, the fabric piece or the lace, whichever you're doing. Like that. You get a really, look at that, gorgeous, gorgeous flower. Now, I actually don't want to use them on that now. I don't want to use any of this. No, I don't think it needs it. Although I might do a bit of this. Let me just see. Six, 8. That might do. I'm just taking a little bit of that, which is like crochet type. And we're just going to do a little running stitch to make a central flower. See, like that. Just makes a nice small flower. And we just pin those edges together. What is the matter with my glue gun? Well, it went everywhere then. See how that makes a nice little flower? 6 would have not been enough scallops, so I do 8, and it's just makes the right size one. You just pop that in the centre. Oh, that's gorgeous. And then those, you know, the new ones. Now I can put that one in. I'm going to open these. Just snip the end off and open them. That's what I should have done in the first place. Oh, that one. That one's better. I like that one. Oh, I might use that one. Oh, I love that. Gorgeous. Stunning. See? Just takes that little bit. Right, okay. So that's in the middle. Wow, I love that. I'm going to take a little bauble bit for the middle. Just put the back on it. Like that. Oh, it's just gorgeous. Look at that. And all it is just doubling up some lace, some wide lace. How beautiful is that? I'm going to have to make another one. Do I want to finish it? Do I want to put anything else on it? I don't actually. I just love them like that. No, but I'm going to make another one. And I just don't think they needed anything else other than this. Beautiful. Just stunning. So I hope that's helpful for those as well. So they do make really nice flower centres.